Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic online document. And by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So the online documents, you can view, code it, and share document online with your colleagues and external users. You can create text documents, spreadsheets, and even presentations. All inside Bitrix24 document management. So it is a digital document management. The file supports docs, pptx, excel file, text file, csv file. You can also integrate it with Dropbox, Google Drive, and you can do the real-time editing. You can create and edit text documents, spreadsheet, presentation in real time, invite other users outside the organization. You can do the real-time collaboration. No matter how people are co-editing a document, you can always see who worked on it recently and what changes have been made. You can give the permission access, the public access, the collaboration access inside the organization or outside the organization. You can create the real-time documents. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.